Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create, style and save caption/subtitle templates in Premiere Pro. First, let's switch to the Captions Workspace. Go to the Workspace menu here, then select Captions and Graphics. Next, select the audio in your timeline you want to transcribe. Now go to the text panel and click Transcribe. Premiere Pro will automatically transcribe your audio for you. This process may take a moment, depending on your audio length. Once your transcript is done, I recommend fixing any errors right now. You can do this by double-clicking on your text in the transcript and making edits. Why edit now? Because look here, if I press play, Premiere Pro highlights the words it thinks I'm saying in real time. This makes it super easy to catch mistakes before creating captions. You can also change any text within your captions once they are made, so don't worry if you miss a mistake or two. Once you're happy with your transcript, press Create Captions. For most cases, you can stick with the default subtitle preset, but if you need to adjust it, click the small down arrow here to choose a different preset. Then open the caption preferences if they're not already opened, and change the settings as desired. You can keep the format, stream, and style as is. You'll simply want to adjust these 4 settings, starting with a maximum length in characters, e.g. how many characters or procs you want in each caption. If you want quick, punchy captions, set it below around 14 characters. I'm setting my length to 12 characters for captions with only 1, 2, or maybe 3 words. Then you can adjust the minimum duration you want your captions to stay on screen. I'm setting the minimum duration to 1.5 seconds. So the captions don't stay on screen for too long. Then you can set how many frames you'd like between each caption here. Set the gaps between captions to 0 if you don't want any gaps between the captions. Be aware though, this setting isn't always perfect, so double check your timeline once captions are made. I'm going to set mine to 0. You can also change the captions to be single or double lined. I'm setting mine to be single. Once you're done, you can save this as a preset to use in future projects by clicking the 3 dots by caption preset and pressing Save Current Settings as Preset. Give it a name. I'll call mine Motion Aid Short Captions. Then click the tick icon here. Next, click on the 3 dots again, then click Export Current Settings as Preset and save it somewhere you'll easily be able to access it for future projects. I'm saving mine into my motion graphics folder within a subfolder called Caption Presets. Great, that's it saved. Now to use this preset in future projects, press the 3 dots again by Caption Presets and press Import Preset and import your saved caption preset. For now, just press Create Captions. Great, that's your captions created. To style them, double click on any caption to open the Properties panel. Then select all captions to make changes to all of them. And within the Properties panel, adjust the font, size, position, color, stroke, background color, shadow, etc. until you've created your desired style. I'm just going to set my font to Bebas Neue Bold at size 127. Center align it, keep the fill color at white, turn off the shadow and add a slight background, increasing the size to 26.1 and keeping everything else the same. If you think you might want to reuse the style in other projects, click the plus icon here and then select Create Style. Give it a name. I'll call mine Motion Aid Short Captions and ensure Save to Local Styles is selected so you can access it from any project in the future. Then press OK. To access your saved styles, open the Style browser here within the track style and ensure Local Styles is selected. You may want to switch to the list view to see your saved styles easier. To do this, you might need to scroll down to see the option to switch to the list view. Then right-click on the style you want to use and you can choose to use the style with the saved font by clicking Set as Track Style or without by clicking Apply Style Without Font. Lastly, here are a few additional tips. You can merge captions by selecting multiple captions and clicking Merge Captions, e.g. I'll select After and Effects to merge them together. When creating double line captions, remove the gap between the last word and the word you will be putting on the next line, then press Enter. This aligns your text properly. It's most notable if you have a text box around your text, like shown. Premiere Pro automatically does this if you click on the double line option in your caption settings. You can easily animate your captions by upgrading them to graphics, e.g. text layers. To do this, highlight all the captions you'd like to change and go to Graphics and Titles and click Upgrade Captions to Graphics. Now you can animate your captions like you would any text. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions at all, please ask in the comments. In my next tutorial, I'll show you how to add a gradient background to your captions, which unfortunately isn't available as an option within your captions or text background settings, but can be easily done using the ramp effect in Premiere Pro. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.